What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Rich Mo, back at it again with another video. Today we are about to do a short little video. I'm going to do a cold start of all my vehicles. I want you guys to pick which one you like, how they sound. So all the cars have exhaust besides the Mustang. The Mustang's a straight pipe. But I'm gonna get all three cars and we're gonna do a nice cold start. And let me know which one you guys like and tell me why in the comments. Let's go. This one might be Jesus Christ.
I've heard loud cars all the time.
This is different though. This ain't turned on in a week.
Maybe don't rev it right away, actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Let it warm up.
Ready?
Yeah.